Now student, just welcome here. As you know, Mamta ma'am already told you about how to present your art integrated project. Now I am going to explain which topics we have given for your social science and English art integrated project. Okay, fine. So this is your summer holiday homework of which thing? Social science and English art integrated activities. Okay, now just look at the three topics which we have given. The topic number 1, topic number 2 and topic number 3. You are supposed to select any one topic. Okay, either choose topic 1, either choose topic 2 or either choose topic 3. It means only select one topic under the given form of activities for your completion of art integrated activities. Here we have given some form of activities also. Now just first of all look at the topic number 1. Conservation of resources. We have already read this chapter. This is your first chapter from your geography. I have given some of the examples also. Water, soil, mineral, forest. These are natural resources. You can take any one of man-made resource also, just like electricity, fine, energy. So it's up to you which resources you want to take. Either natural resource or man-made resource, it's up to you. Form of activity is given under a form of activities here given. Just look at the number 1, video or film making. Now as you know, water is very precious for all of us. You can make a video, a nice presentation, a film also. You can write an article also with some very attractive posters and slogans. But don't copy the slogans from the internet. Just try to write the slogans from your own self. You are not a kid, you are in class 8. Photography, you can choose brochure. This is the new word, brochure. Don't worry, later I will explain the meaning of the brochure and some new words which I have given here with the help of some pictures. Now skit and play. You can make a skit also. You can choreograph a play also. You are not a kid, you are in class 8. Now just look at the topic 2. The Indian Constitution key feature. Form of activity is given under this topic. Brochure, you can make brochure, video or film making, poster, photography, and even you can compose a poem also. Some of the fundamental rights, okay, secularism. These are the key features of Indian institution. Now just look at the topic number 3. Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore. We have already read this chapter, second chapter from your history. So Tipu's toy tiger, sword and wood steel. Under this form of activity is given brochure, paper quilling. This is your new word. Don't worry about it. Clay modeling, sketching, poster. Even you can make a sketch. Even you can draw a sketch of Tipu Sultan also. Poster, drawing, video and film. So student, got it? Now choose the topic according to your interest and use resources. Which resources? Waste materials that are easily available to you and easily available at your home. Just don't pressurize your parents. I want to buy new craft paper and new things. You can make brochure also with the help of your white page also. Just color it according to which color you want to color and then make a small greeting cards. Okay, so many times ना, as you know, Mother's Day also, even your friend's birthday also, आप लोग देते हो ना small greeting card बना के देते हो, पेपर फोल्ड करते हो आप लोग, ठीक है, उसमें आप डिफरेंट अंदर पिक्चर्स लगाते हो, डिफरेंट स्केच कलर एंड डिफरेंट कलर्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो सेम थिंग यू हैव टू फॉलो टू मेक योर आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, डोंट सी कि हमें ये चाहिए वो चाहिए मार्केट से. सो मेनी. This project is only for to make you creative way. Just keep it out, beta. Okay, new ideas. Okay, just try to make your project with your own creativity. Just don't go to the net कि just copy. Just आप गए net में और throw the net and then copy और वहाँ से करके दे दिया. No, just try to make your make your project more innovative with your own so many innovative ideas also. And one important thing also I would like to tell you, the activities will be evaluated and rewarded also. Fine. Yes, the activities will be evaluated and rewarded also. Student, just look at here. Okay, brochure. As you know, I have already told you about the brochure. Just as you can see, paper folding also. Yes, just look at the another picture also. Okay, fine. Paper folding, you can make small greeting cards also. Paper folding, then you can write subheadings. Just try to make your craft so much innovative. Don't write so much. ज़्यादा मत लिखिए, आप उसको और innovative बनाइए. Just look at the picture. Wow, this one. Color also you can use orange, yellow. Fine. Now just look at the another one also. Wow, this one. Geography, earthquake, brochure. Yes, compass. This is your brochure you can make. Okay, wow. Then look at the next one also. Is it looking so nice? You can make and you can correlate your topic also with all these kinds of brochure. Just like conservation of resources you can write. Okay, under fundamental rights, secular. Just look at this one also. So much interesting and innovative, is it? Yes, this is the way to describe your project. Fine. Yes. Now student, just look at here, the next one is paper quilling. As you can see here in the images, yes, paper quilling, you can fold paper, different color papers. You can use any type of image you can make with the help of these paper. Just like look at the flower, even you can make animal picture also. Even just look at the another one here, as you can see. Okay, different color. Just look at the bird. Anything you want to make, you can take paper quilling also to make your art integrated project. Wow, just look at here also. And the next one, image of which thing? Yes, India. Wow, is it good? Is it looking nice? Very good. Here the student, next one is clay modeling. Yes, you are so much familiar about clay modeling. Okay, yes, you can make different images, different pictures with the help of clay modeling. Just you can color it also. Just look at here. Okay, green color, red. Now just look at the another picture. Wow, here is it, a fish. You can also make with the help of clay. Now look at the another one. Here, wow, a nice thing. You can make Tipu Sultan also with the help of clay. His sword also. Okay, and wood steel also. Tipu's toy tiger also you can also make with the help of clay modeling. Wow, elephant also. Just look at, you can correlate. It's up to you, beta. How much innovative is it? Now student, just look at here. Okay, fine. So here is it, Tipu Sultan sword. So you can make this sword with the help of clay also, as I have given some of the example. It's up to you, beta. So many times again I am explaining same thing. Okay, how much innovative. Now just look at the another. Wow, is it beautiful? So you can make it in your own way, how to use clay modeling and how to use paper quilling, how to make brochure, how to make poster, how to write an article, pictures, sketching and all. Fine. Now just look at here, next one, Tipu's tiger. Yes, Tipu's toy tiger. You can make Tipu's toy tiger also with the help of clay. Fine. Now just look at the another picture here. Save water. You can write slogan if you are taking the that topic, conservation of resources. Just look at here. Save water. Life is which one? Nothing without the species. So many attractive pictures, posters with the help of slogan. Wow, is it beautiful? Is it nice? Save water, save nature. These you can use. Okay, but don't copy it from net. Just try to write your own. The last one, is it very good? Just look at the picture. How much attractive and innovative. a simple picture describe the all things how much important water is. So for student, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your summer vacation also.